Hey, happy May. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying the warmer weather, green grass and flowers all coming in. This is one of my favorite times of year. Wanted to talk to you about home valuations. I'm sure if you own a home, you got a letter in the mail from the assessor's office in your county, and you were probably a little sticker shocked. We've seen some values going up 40%, 50%, 55% in some cases. So wanted to talk to you about that a little bit. I've had the chance to do about 40 valuations for different people who have reached out asking for help in pulling comps and help in protesting. And honestly, here's what I'm finding. So comps have to be sold between January 1st of 2021 and between June 30th of 2022. So it has to fall within that 18-month window. It also has to be plus or minus 20% of the square footage of your home. And then you go on and look at garage count. Is it a 2-car, 3-car? What's the lot size? What's the bedroom count? All of those factor in, but two of the most important parts are, one, it has to fall within that 18-month time period. So you have to provide comps that have sold before June 30th of 2022, and then plus or minus 20% square footage of your property. So with the 40 that I've done, honestly, I'm seeing it broken up into thirds. So a third of those people, I would say, yeah, you've got a strong ability to protest, and I think you've got a pretty good chance at winning. A third of the people, I'm like, 50-50. We saw skyrocketed appreciation over those 2 years, and it does kind of fall and support that value that the county just gave you, but you got a 50-50 shot of winning. And then the other third, I'm like, hey, don't protest, because I think you're at risk of having them come back and actually assess your value for more than what they originally assessed it for. So that is just what I'm seeing with those tax assessments. If you need help pulling comps, I'm more than happy to. Just shoot me an email. It'll be in the link below. Shoot me an email. Give me your property address, your zip code, and what the new valuation came in at. And then just give me about a week and I should be able to turn around and get it back to you. Protests are due June 8th. So there's still a little bit of time, but I wouldn't wait clear until June 8th to get this done. I'm sure they have a massive backlog at the county dealing with all of the people who are worried about their new assessments. So hope that's a little tidbit of information, just some insight as to what I'm seeing. Happy to give my honest opinion. So just reach out and shoot me an email. Have a great day.